Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. We're demonstrating for you today. This is, as you can see, an all stainless steel seasoning drum. I know a lot of you are familiar with them. Comes out of a fruit product application. See, it has 5 baffles internally and they are spiral angled. Just set slightly off the interior wall. Have a tapered discharge at the body. It's about 48 inches length plus the length of the cone. We'll have all the specs on our website and you can see it there. Of course, it's portable on casters. They did have a couple of small covers. I'm not sure what they were doing with them. You'll see that it does have adjustment on one end, and of course it is hinged on the next. All stainless steel motor and drive we're running right there, with a long stainless steel gearbox as well. Has nice captured rollers. I don't know if you can see that in there, but if you look down in there, you'll see it has a roller on each side of the band which supports the body of the drum. Keeps it nice tight from moving, of course, when you have a load and weight in there, and makes it a little bit of a difference. We have lots of items in our inventory and process and packaging. We do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com if you're not already there. And we look forward to hearing from you about your equipment needs. Thanks for joining us for this video today.